For today's video, I have pork pata. Pakuluin natin ng black and pepper, tsaka 2 sachet ng coffee para mawala yung lansa. I put a little bit soy sauce and black pepper and salt, a little bit salt. Just wait for, ipakuluin natin ng 15 minutes, okay? There you go. Napakuluan natin yung pata. And then, let's throw the water. Then, wash it, yung pata properly. There you go. I wash my meat properly. Remove the dirt. Listen natin yung, ay, too hot. Malambot na yung pata ko. Okay, bawang sibuyas. Let's put onion. Some onion. Then, garlic. Isama natin ng bawang sibuyas ang pata. Tapos, lagay na natin yung lagay na natin yung pata. Oh, it's too hot. Oh, shoot. Okay, wait. Ayan, nalagay na natin yung pata. Then, just wait 1 minute. Hold on. Lagyan natin ng konting soy sauce. Ayan. Tapos, lagyan natin ito sa'yo. And then, pineapple juice. Siguro 1 cup lang nito kasi ito, pineapple juice ko ay no added sugar. Okay? Over here. Tignan natin ng konting pineapple juice. Oops. 1 cup of pineapple juice over here. Tapos, a little bit water. Actually, malambot na yung pata ko. Oh. And then, konting pamintang buo. Okay. And then, bay leaves, daw na MJ. Joke. Kulin natin para pampabango pang. And then isang kutsarang sugar para lalong masarap. Tapos, let's put no cube. No cube, yun. Then, mix it. Malambot na yung pata ko. Ayaw ko siyang baka masira yung marisporma yung ganda niya. Okay. Just wait. Okay, pineapple chunk. Lagay na natin. Sarap nito. Oh my God. Yan dahil niya na yung isang kalderong kanin. Masisira yung diet. Like kay mong diet. Just wait. I'm going to put sesame oil. Kahit konti lang. Tingnan natin kung masarap yung sesame oil. Optional lang po yun. Thanks for watching guys. God bless. Kainan na. This is ready.